Welcome, today I'm part of me HTC Desire 22 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the notification panel shortcuts, and to launch screen recorder settings we should hold for a while this icon. Now we can see here record audio switcher, so if we'll here use the device audio only, so just to use on device audio we should click once on the switcher. For example, now we'll use all just music, calls, ringtones, all of the medias. Also we can switch it to the microphone, for example, to command something in our screen recording, or also we can use device audio and microphone together. And if you want to just record mute video, you should just turn off this switcher and that's it. And after that you can start your screen recording. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.